Right, the next colourful kids character I'm going to draw is a robot. Now before I do, remember, if you want to know what's coming up next, subscribe, hit that button. Okay, so the robot. Now, an animated tin can. Okay, so I'm going to draw the outline with a dark coloured pencil, Prussian blue, and the tin can type thing starts at the top. So you get this kind of square look along the top, right? And a couple of big eyes on there, and there. By the way, a good idea to make your eyes look shiny, this is what you do. You draw two big circles like that, but stop them there, then do a wee kind of sharp bit, like a wee dark shape pointing into the circle, then shade that in. And if you do that, it makes the eyes look quite shiny. See that? Okay, now the nose next. Keep it nice and square, right? And as it comes down to the mouth, we'll stop it there, and you'll have some kind of joint there, so maybe you put in a kind of joint shape there, and then give it a nice grin. Okay, and you can open it out like that, and then finish off the bottom of the chin like that. You could even connect it with a kind of wire shape, put in some colours later. Okay, so the neck, a little square shape like that, the circle coming around it, and then you get the body shape, maybe coming out like that, like a cone. Okay, and on the front you could possibly put something like a control panel. You know, we can have fun doing your own designs for that. Alright, and then the joints of the arm, again like this, you could do a kind of circular joint there and there, and then add your arm to it, top part coming down to the joint of the elbow. Okay, and this arm perhaps going out the way to a joint at the wrist, and then part of his hand and the other bit, the fingers coming out there. Okay, perhaps that hand coming down there to that joint, then the hand, the thumb sticking out, then the fingers. Okay, now the waist part, remember this has to kind of move about, so you can imagine it being like a jointed bit like that, almost like a spring. Okay, and then joined up to the waist area, which is something, let's say, like that. Okay, then you would have two joints for the legs, and coming down to the knee, another joint there. Okay, and then down to the ankle joint, like that, and the feet, big triangular shaped feet, like that. Okay, and perhaps you'd have an aerial sticking out the top of his head, something like that. Okay, right, well let's colour it in now. As I said, the idea is that it looks a bit like a tin can, so it's shiny. So what you do is you could use your dark blue pencil to imagine there's a kind of dark shadow coming down one side of the tin can. Now remember, press quite hard if you want your colour to look nice and heavy and dark, and then lighten it up when you want it to be lighter. So we get that bit there, and a bit on the other side there. Okay, like that. Come down to the neck, make that another colour, and down to the body shape, again nice and dark, and then take the weight off and do another kind of line coming in there, and then repeat it on the other side, but leave a gap between the edge and your shading. Okay, like that. Same to the arms, nice and dark, and then take the weight off. Dark, take the weight off, and then put another line up the other side for the reflection, you see? Like that. See, it's starting to look a bit shiny. A bit weight off there, another wee line there. And you could add another colour to your reflection to here. We'll do that in a second. Just finish off with the dark blue just now. Take the weight off, put another wee one there. Okay, same with that. Take the weight off. And that. Shade it round. You see the light coming round the shape of the leg there. Okay, and then one side, a wee bit darkness in there, see? I might colour that another colour, so I'll leave that just now. Maybe even lines down the side of the fingers there. Okay. Okay, so let's start to colour it in a bit more now. Now, imagine there's another kind of light coming in from this side. So perhaps we could do that with, let's see, maybe this kind of pink colour here. This colour is rose pink. Okay, so imagine the rose pink colour coming in from this side. Okay, you could add a bit there, coming down like that. Okay, I think what I might do too is also add just a wee bit of yellow to that, make it stand out a bit more. There we are. A bit yellow. It's a nice bright yellow. Okay, lemon yellow. And maybe a wee touch of lemon yellow down the side to see that catching the light. It's rather nice. A wee bit there. A wee touch there. A wee bit there. No, as if this yellow light is catching the shiny bits on the robot. Like that. Now, I think I'll use red. It's kind of bright red, vermilion red, to put in. Maybe give him a wee human touch here, a wee bit of red in the cheeks, and then shade in the mouth. And some red there. There we go. Now imagine these joints here are a kind of golden colour. So I'll take this orange colour here, and I'll shade in the joints. Maybe not the whole lot. Leave a bit light at the top here, as if the light's catching it again. Meant to look fairly shiny, this robot. Okay, like that. Excellent. Going down here. You wee bit at the top there. You have to colour every bit. You know, you could leave, as I say, leave me white bits of paper to suggest light catching those shiny bits. Okay, and perhaps I'll give him a slightly orangey nose, golden nose. Maybe we'll go over that with the red. You can deepen a colour like that just by going over it with another colour like that. See? Excellent. Shade it up, leave a bit light at the top. The eyes, I think I'll give him a nice bright yellow eyes here. Again, I'll shade up round to this, but leave that bit white. Okay. Now, these little bits of wire come down here, can maybe add a bit of colour to it, like that. Okay. And we can start to add some colour to our control panel here. Maybe some red buttons. Again, leave it a little bit white. Perhaps take another colour, let's say a green. And one there. Let's see, one there and one there. Perhaps we'll give some blue as well. Get a bit of blue here. Again, leave a little bit of white if it's shiny. Okay. And then underneath here, perhaps that could be blue as well. Again, leaving a little bit of white showing. By the way, of course, if you go over that with yellow, you'll get a nice green colour. See that? Go over that. Excellent. And now, maybe we'll do a bit of pink around this bit here, a bit more pink. And it started also, I'll do a bit more. Okay, how about his feet? Well, I'll make them green as well, I think. Top part green there, hairy around the side. Yeah, it's coming on quite a colourful looking robot, but still quite shiny. Okay, perhaps maybe a darker yellow, and I could fill in the rest of the control panel here. Bring that colour out a bit more, like that. Excellent. There we are. Wee touch there. Perhaps we could make this top part like that too, and maybe add a bit of orange up there. Excellent. So here's our robot looking pretty good. Okay, maybe a little bit of shading over here. Okay, you could accentuate that line again if you like, and then you can go over the top. You just go over your lines a bit more to bring out the strength of the line a bit better, like that. Okay, even more darkness there, and maybe a little bit of shading under the nose there. Just a wee touch of shading, just make it look a bit three-dimensional. Okay, excellent. Well, I hope you can check out the rest of my videos, because I'm going to show you how to do lots more great and colourful kids characters. But in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing!